Now it doesn't matter what your style is that you're using, the first step for this problem for all three styles is the same. I need to get all of my x's on the same side of the equal sign. So in this instance what I'll do is I'll move this 2x to the other side and I'm going to do the opposite. So this is plus 2x here, so I'm going to take it on the other side. So I end up with 4x take 2x plus 3 is equal to take 17. So my 4x take 2x is 2x plus 3 equals take 17. Now this is a simple two-stepper. So it's going to be solved the same way that you do any story of x for the style 1. So we have x, it was multiplied by 2 and we added 3 and we got negative 17. So if we start with negative 17 and we do the opposites, take 3 and divide by 2, we'll get x by undoing that story. So x is going to be starting with negative 17, taking 3 and dividing by 2. So negative 17 take 3 is negative 20. Negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. Now we need to check it. Always do that check and we'll tell you whether or not you got it right. So this time it's a little bit more difficult. We've got to check both sides. In a way, we've got 4 times x, which is minus 10, plus 3. So if we get this first, that's 4 times, so that's minus 40, 4 times minus 10, and plus 3 is going to be minus 37. All right, now we want to see what does the other side equal. So it's actually 2 times minus 10 minus 17. So that's going to be minus 20 minus 17, and that is minus 37. Now this side equals that side, so we know we did the right math there, and we know in this instance x is minus 10. Okay, but just a reminder, the most important thing to do is to get the x's onto the same side. We just move them, and the best thing you can do is put a circle there like that and an arrow showing which way you're going and showing the opposite. So in this case it's 2x on this side, which is positive, and the opposite will be minus. And you start that, simplify, and then it's just like any other story of x that you've done, a two-stepper.